In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? This is our Facebook, and if you want to change your profile picture, if you have had profile picture before, for you to be able to change it, just click on this camera icon, right? Upload the photo you want. Just select any from your choice, right? So if I select this, I'll just click on the open. If you have previously had a profile picture, this is gonna work out for you, right? This is gonna work out for you. Just select an image of your choice, right? Okay, let me say something like this. Yeah, exactly. So if you have previously had a profile picture and you love to change it, this is what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna use this option to select a new one and you can change it if you want. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you again for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.